The LPI Linux Essentials Certificate signifies to potential employers that an individual has a strong understanding of Linux and its related popular applications. To acquire the LPI Linux Essentials certification, test takers must study the major components of the Linux operating system and have technical proficiency using the Linux command line. Security and administration topics, such as user management and permissions, are evaluated as well to ensure in-depth comprehension. The Linux Professional Institute developed this certification exam to be taken by anyone with the knowledge and experience working in Linux to successfully maneuver the operating system. To take the LPI Linux Essentials exam, candidates need to practice the following topics: FOSS communities and licenses, open source applications in the workplace, hardware, processes, programs, and components of Linux, access files with command line, create and restore compressed backups and archives, system security, users or groups, and file permissions for public and private directories, create and run simple scripts. Our cybersecurity professional program enlists industry-leading cybersecurity specialists from around the world to develop a market-driven curriculum for budding technologists. Students that complete the cybersecurity program are thoroughly educated on Linux fundamentals, and, with additional at-home studying, can go on to take the LPI Linux Essentials exam.